Morning, folks. Welcome back to the boat build. She's all strapped up. She's on rollers. There's a low loader coming in an hour and a half or something. And she's going to go to the boatyard at Thorn. She's going on to the outstanding to start with. We've got a couple of bits to do when we get there. Then she'll be going out onto the canal. And we'll give her some trials. So that's it. We got there eventually. Took a bit longer than we thought, but not being on it full time, it does take time. So that's it. We're going to get everything ready now for the low loader coming. He's got a big winch on the back. He's going to pull it out. We've got dollies underneath. She should roll along and climb up onto this low loader. Anyway, right, we'll see in a bit when low loader comes. There she is, backing up. Just takes the slope out. He's jacked his back wheels up.
She dog, he says now. Spotty dog. He said that on you, so you can't no killing it tomorrow. Alright. Probably next week. Well, the night no plan.
Right, got an empty workshop. Where the boat's been for the last couple of years. And now it's on the trailer. Hey, she's all on. Just roping it up and we're off to the marina. We've got to get the boat from there, round back of those trees, and through that gate there. It's a bit of a tight yard, this one. Right, brilliant bit of driving that. Very skillful, that driver. Could make that huge thing turn on a sixpence. And it actually virtually did a U-turn to get in there. But anyway, here we are. She's just getting unloaded and she's going on blocks on hard standing. And the next thing after this is jump forward to today and she's getting launched. Right, morning folks, here we are at the boatyard. Tulip's just getting prepared for lifting on. Okay, so they put the crawler crane in position and now he's feeding the slings under. Each one of those slings is a 20-ton sling, and now he's moving the boats out of the way that are moored up to get ours in. Okay, we have liftoff. Time to get our feet wet. Hope it only goes down so far in water.
Yeah, that. I don't know what his name was. Brianna. It was murdered. Yeah. I feel sad about that, but that. How the fuck? The people. How the fuck? I don't even know what kind of job they want to do. Like, what sex they want. When I look, if it gets closer to the water, it just looks smaller and smaller. Shrunk it midair.
That's it, she's in. And just out of interest, I just asked Kate, who's driving the crane, what she weighs. It's 8.6 ton. Because he can weigh it in the cab. 8.6 ton she weighs, that's a 40-foot boat. Hey. Okay, so this is it, we're underway. Tulip's in the water, she got her feet wet. Coming out of the slings. Cheers. Tap.
Yeah, okay.
There we go, we're underway. Lot of wind today though. See how them flags flying. Blows you all over. We're not going far, it's only 10 minutes down here to the marina where its berth is. Right, here we are, we're coming up on the marina. 10 minutes down the cut. Right, better go and get this thing in there. Okay, so we have a problem here. Not only have I got my finger over the corner of the lens, but we can't get in tonight and moor the boat because the other boat's not gone. So we're having to moor it here overnight. It'll be going in the morning. So the next time you see it, I'll come up and visit because I'll not be here in the morning. So I'll see you all later. Ta-ra!